Hello and welcome all in this video. So we are going to discuss about the phylum Coelenterata. We have to discuss about the general characters of the Coelenterata organisms. So first of all, they are aquatic organisms. These are aquatic organisms and mostly found in the seawater, and few freshwater forms are also found. The hydra-like organisms are freshwater forms. They are sessile or free swimming. Some organisms are free swimming, they show free swimming movement, and some are sessile. They show radial symmetry. They show or they follow the radial symmetry. And these organisms are diploblastic. There is having only two body layers and with blind sac body plan. There is having blind sac body plan. They exhibit tissue level organization, that is tissue formation takes place in this phylum. Sense organ in the form of statocyst. Statocyst type of sense organ is found in this group. Then this animal shows two body forms. They can shows or they can exhibit two body forms. One body form which is called as polyp. That is, polyp is a cylindrical and sessile form like hydra, and second body form which is called as medusa, which is umbrella-like and free swimming form like the aurelia or the jellyfish. Body cavity is useful for the circulation as well as digestion. Circulation and digestion takes place in the body cavity, so called as this body cavity is called as gastrovascular cavity or coelenteron. Some another characteristics of the Coelenterata: some organisms having skeleton composed of calcium. Example, coral-like organisms having skeleton which is made by the calcium. The digestion of these organisms takes place in the cell, that is intracellular digestion, or outside of the cell, extracellular digestion is found in this organism. The nervous system and circulatory system is absent, that is nervous system and circulatory system is not found in this group of organism, that is nervous system and circulatory system is absent. Tentacles shows particular type of characters, particular type of structure that is called as stinging cells. Tentacles having stinging cells also called as cnidoblast. The stinging cells or cnidoblast are useful for the anchorage and offense and defense purpose. This group reproduced both by asexual and sexual. That is, sexual and asexual reproduction is found in this organism. Asexual reproduction takes place by the budding and regeneration. Budding and regeneration, these are the asexual reproductive process, and with sexual reproduction takes place with the help of the gamete formation. Gamete formation takes place or formed at the time of sexual reproduction. They exhibit alteration of generation. They shows alteration of generation. That is, polyps produce medusae and medusae produce polyps. So they shows alteration of generation, and this phenomenon of alteration of generation is called as metagenesis. And lastly, there are some examples, that is hydra, aurelia, phacelia, admesia, that is sea anemone, jellyfish, then diploria, brain coral, then gorgonia, sea fan. These are the example belonging to this phylum. So this is all about the general characteristics of the Coelenterata organisms.